Yep, it happened. Thanksgiving dinner, relatives gathered, waiting for that delicious turkey, and the sink backs up. Michael, my loving husband, but not the handiest guy on earth, crawls under the sink. Big mistake. Fortunately, my mother-in-law called Bryco Plumbing. I'm thinking Michael's dad isn't too handy either because she knew that number by heart. What? I'm just saying.
Need a plumber? Call Bryco Plumbing at 818-999-5700 or visit us on the web at bryco-plumbing.com to get a 10% coupon.